Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Maps to find and authorize nearby chargers. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your device and locate the Google Maps app. Tap on the app icon to launch it. Once the app is open, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Type EV chargers near me into the search bar. Press the search icon or hit enter on your keyboard. Google Maps will now display a list of nearby charging stations on the map. To see more information about a specific charger, tap on the marker or location. A menu will appear with details such as the charger type, availability, and directions. If you need to filter the results, tap on the filter icon. Select your preferences for charger types, such as level 2 or fast chargers. After you've set your filters, tap apply to see the updated results. To get directions to a chosen charger, tap on the location. Next, press the Directions button. The app will now calculate the route to the charging station. Review the driving directions provided. When you're ready, tap Start to begin navigation. As you drive, follow the voice prompts for turn-by-turn directions. Upon arrival, check the charger for its availability. Make sure you have the correct charging app or membership if needed. Now you are ready to charge your vehicle. Enjoy your stay connected while using Google Maps for your EV charger needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.